We've certainly seen a variety of places on this trip, from the beaches to what we're looking at right now. It's almost beyond description. It's so beautiful. It's clearly rugged. It's in some ways mesmerizing.
Every time you go around a different corner or a bend in the trail, you never know what change in the landscape you're going to see. All these little unexpected surprises, like picnic on the beach at sunset and there's nobody else on the beach but us.
We've got snow-capped mountains. We've got the streams rushing down, and it's just all amazingly gorgeous and new to me for the first time. I had a brain hemorrhage a few years ago, and that took quite a bit of recovery to work through, and with a lot of perseverance and just desire to get myself back to the level I was at before I was hit with my surgery.
This type of a tour gave me another chance to try something at a slightly slower pace.
We do have the freedom to go at our own pace. If we want to go faster, we can go faster. If we want to go slower.
It makes me feel like I can still get out and enjoy nature without having it be too much of a challenge.
We've had some great meals at different places and been able to try lots of different types of foods.
Every meal has just been a unique adventure and expertly prepared. Great wines, and I love the explanation of the wines that we were given and encouraged to try with the different meals. I look for the tour group to take me off trail. I look for them to create these unique, out-of-the-way places for me to go to. The different places we stay, the eco lodges, each one has its own unique landscape and feel to it.
Here out at Martins Bay, we obviously have this beautiful lodge, pretty much out in the middle of nowhere, and it feels that way as well, but we have this beautiful setting that we get to have for ourselves. We sometimes have guests that come up and ask us, and they're like, do you have the Wi-Fi connection? How can we log on? And there's no Wi-Fi. We're really lucky here to have that sort of interaction where you have 3 days maybe with a group of people, but you feel like you've known them for years by the end of it.
I think when you're traveling with a group of people, you get to share a lot of their different experiences that they bring, their different adventures, and then you get to create experiences together.
By booking through a company like this, which has the wherewithal to do the research, to find the locations, to assemble the people, then make sure that you have a full experience. You can't do that on your own. I think our guides have been phenomenal in terms of educating us.
They're very knowledgeable, very patient, and they're always there to offer something to make the experience a little bit easier.
Their enthusiasm, their just love for what they're doing, it just all kind of melts together, and it just makes it a much richer experience.
My appreciation for everything we do every day is just maximized tenfold. Coming to New Zealand has been pushing the limits a little bit for me, but I'm finally, I think, pretty confident that I've reached maximum recovery.